I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tin fish curry Manipuri-style. First, gather all your ingredients including canned fish, potatoes, and a selection of fresh local herbs. Wash and chop your vegetables into small, manageable pieces. Make sure all your spices, like chili powder and turmeric, are accurately measured and ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's start cooking. Heat about 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add your chopped onions and sauté them until they become soft and translucent, which usually takes a few minutes. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until it releases its aroma. Then, add your chopped potatoes and cook them partially. It's time to build those delicious flavors. Stir in your turmeric, chili powder, and any other dry spices you're using with the partially cooked vegetables. Mix well to coat everything evenly. Now, carefully add the canned fish, gently breaking it into smaller pieces with your spoon. Pour in about 1 cup of water or broth, bring it to a simmer, and cook until the potatoes are tender. Finally, garnish your delicious curry with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of flavor and color. Serve this hearty tin fish curry hot, ideally with a side of fluffy steamed rice. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying meal that brings a taste of Manipur to your table. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade Manipuri tin fish curry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.